Mara Steele's the one to start. There's a storm brewing in the heart of the town, with her badge and her blade, and shake 'em down with her blaze. She's the force in this darkened night. She's the force in this darkened night. With a badge and a blade, she brings justice to the neon haze. Ow! Silent streets beneath a glaring moon. She tracks their roots. It's gonna be soon. Evil syndicate on those sleek black bikes. Mara's coming and she's ready to strike. Now she's on the prowl. Yeah. Mara Steele in the shadows she weaves. Biomancers, beware. It's fighting time. Mara Steele. Mara Steele. No. She's the force in this darkened night. She's the force in this darkened night. With a badge and a blade, she brings justice to the neon haze. Scatter trail. Adrenaline rush through every fight start. Mara Steele's got the guts and the heart. Biomancers think they're untouchable foes, but Mara's here and everybody knows. Yeah. In the alleyways and beyond those gates, she's the fierce boss, the one they hate. Yeah. In her trench coat with her steely gaze, navigates through the cyber maze. Mara Steele lighting in her step. Biomancers plotting every rep. Her allies call her the Shadow Queen. With every move she keeps it clean. With every shot